What's going on, guys? Kariithitwins here, and I am by myself here because, guys, I'm not feeling quite well. Niko na homa mbaya sana, and then I had like an eye infection. I had it's called a sty. So I'm just chilling at home. I will be cleaning. I thought, why not spend the day together, guys? Like to find a cleaning. You guys be my company today. I'll be like cleaning. I like. Look at this bed. Look at unaona pale. Hizo ni nguo. It's clean though. It's clean laundry. But look at that. Yeah, that needs to I need to fold those clothes. I need to clean the house, cook. Yani guys, let's do a reset together. And Mrs. is not here, of course, she's at work. I am alone, yeah. Maybe we'll see her journey. I don't know. But guys, today is a day between me. It's a day we will spend together. So, guys, let's start cleaning. Let's not be lazy. It's already like what 13:59 Sanane. Hey, I woke up so late. I'm sorry, guys. So, enough of the talking. Let's get to work. Bed, guys. Oh my gosh, I feel like shit, bro. Oh my gosh, and you know, having periods at the same time, it doesn't help. Oh my god, it does not help. You judge my making. They are making this bed. So weird. This mattress, I have an extra mattress here. It's after we've upgraded, you know. Baraka 10 and see. If I call you for sleepover, just know we are chilling in that bed. Okay? But you're very much welcome. On this bed or on this mattress. Whatever to say, can I so that I can see my problems. Seeming sana ni sheets, nini. I don't care. Let's start. Oh my gosh, bro. Music when I'm cleaning, but today it's not that big though. You can't let me ask the reason I message you. Guys, allow me to finish this other bedroom faster and all, like guys, tusishinde hapa juu taking the camera, tunageuka, tunafanya it's a lot. Let me finish this bedroom, then tunaona. In the kitchen, finally. Oh my god. It's one thing. Is a thing for you. Tutachana hapa. Mimi nioshe balcony. This is how the balcony looks. It's dirty. So watch I mean malizie balcony. Then we'll see you on the next one when we are doing the next thing. You understand? See you guys. Done guys. Hizi nitatupa. As you can see, I'm done. So let's go back in the house. Guys, the house is all clean as you can see. And since I don't have a house spray, Meisha, you see this is just downy and water, and trust me guys, it smells so nice. So let's spray it. The house will smell nice. Even in this room, we're spraying it everywhere. Akizinguo tutazikunja. My house is all fresh. My baby is watching that. So hizo ni mambo zake. Guys, we are all done. You're seeing through outside the uko nje. Now we'll enter in the bathroom. Nipanguze viatu na nioshe bathroom. That's it. We are done with the shoes. There were so many. Oh my gosh, bro. I think what's left for me now is just taking a shower and knowing what to cook. Yeah, that's like the main thing left. Tutapika. Oh, nguo wase. You're not telling me we have some clothes to fold. Let's shower, then we go and fold, organize those clothes. For dinner nimekelea dengu. So hungry. Mnaniona? Yeah. Bro, I'm so hungry. Zitachemka lini zive? Oh my god, someone called for me some food. Invite me to your house for something called nishaoga by the way, if you can't tell. Woo, finally. Wait. We are done. Tupike sapa sasa. Sina nyanya, sina nini. Like I'll have to go to buy nyanya. You know? Bro, I'm tired. This rice already in a boil. Ati niko na homa. Naekelea a lot of steam. Ini dawa natengeneza. This is just ginger and lemon. Bro, you can hear my voice is not that great, so yeah. Acha nichemke. Alafu tukaange dengu ilishaiva kitambo. Let's do that. Sufuria zangu zisharibika zote. Nika kwa dawa kidogo. Kidogo. as you can see, we are done with cooking, bro. I'm done. I'm due for that. I'm so tired. Just ignore my hair. This one we're going to fix it this week. This week we are going to fix this one. But guys, as you've seen, we are done with dinner, stroke lunch, juice jakula. So takula, and as you already know, please make sure to subscribe, like, comment, share, turn on your post notifications so every time we upload you will be notified. And guys, comment down below what you want to see from us, because right now, you know, we'll be saying we are back, but this time I'm not even promising you anything, but you will see from the actions themselves. So guys, bye, see ya, adios.